guys, we've got a good video for you guys today. We got some good food for the dogs, guys. We've got some fish, we've got some chicken, we've got eggs, we've got blueberries, strawberries, and mango in there, guys. Just want to give all my followers a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas Eve. And let's see how these dogs like this food, guys.
I see Dookie done dove into his food already. We're gonna see how Big Boy likes it.
Be right back.
Always tell those dogs to sit and wait. Go. Good girl. It's good eats for those dogs, people. You'll see her tear that fish up. Let her go, man. We're gonna let these dogs enjoy their food. We gone.